camera.
He's really doing so well with that. Little monkey. Ooh, you look at you, boy. You got it. Come on, Max. Lift it up. You got it. Look at you. What a big smart boy. Yeah. Look at you.
Max, smile. You tired? You tired?
Throw it, Max. Show her how angry you are. Or eat it. Throw her or eat it. Pick one. Right now. Ready? Throw. Yeah.
Wow, that's a really good throw.
You got a good arm, lefty. You kind of threw it, not at her, but close enough.
Yeah.
The dresser will have to pay for what you've done.
Do you see that? Can you reach for it? Do you want it? He seems to want your camera.
Because he sees that every day
Yeah.
for 1,000,000 hours.
Wanna grab it?
Ooh, what did you do?
Keep a good hold on it. Don't want to drop it.
I know.
Try to put that thing in your mouth. He tried to put it in his mouth. He goes,
Sure. Everything's got to go in that little mouth these days.